Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Another beautiful Aikens Ford trade-in. We just got it out of the shop. We've had it for about a week, but it's been in the shop and getting new wheels and tires and brakes and all that kind of stuff. This truck was in great shape when we got it. It's only got a little over 90,000 miles on it. It's one of the prettiest trucks I've had in here in a long time, in my opinion. Certainly doesn't appear like it's ever been off-road. Usually you get that hood blanket stain. Usually you can't get the mud off of it, no matter how much you try without tearing it up. So this thing I do not believe to have ever been off-roaded. Super nice. The tires were not worn out, but I just know from experience when people look at these trucks, they think that these tires are way more expensive than they are. They're not cheap, but I got you some brand new tires all the way around this truck. Side step XLT. It's got a really good package on it, so it's a highly equipped XLT. It's a super cab. You've got your bucket seats and console, dual power seats, and it is just super nice inside. Look at that. It's got your trailer brake controller and your trailer max trailer package. It's got the big screen, cold air. Carpet is super nice. Look at that. You can tell when you've scrubbed carpet really hard to get it clean, it never ever looks like that again. It looks like brand new carpet. There's one little stain in the middle of the seat. This fabric is really hard to clean because it's so tightly woven. So we actually, to get those stains out, we have to clean on them 2 or 3 times. It's almost gone. One more time and it should be good to go. Like I said, we serviced it. It's fully serviced, new fluids, new filters, synthetic oil. Everything is good to go. 4 new tires. We replaced any brakes that are under 50%. The front brakes were good. We replaced the rear brakes. It's got a bed cover on the back. And the only thing that's not here for this truck yet is the cover for the step. The step is there, it works fine, just the cover that came off of it, which is pretty common. Spray in bed liner. That cover should be here tomorrow or the next day. So by the time you see it, you should be good to go. Towing package on the back. We have really great financing for really great credit, and if you've got mediocre financing or bad credit, we can help you there too. Crystal clear lights. Everything looks good, no issues. Someone put a K&N filter on it. Let you take a look at it with the hood down. We elected to leave the American flag in the back window on the rear slider. If you don't like that, it's just a decal, super easy to come off. We'll take it off for you at time of delivery. But I thought it looked really good, so I left it on there. $92,510 miles. You see everything is just super nice. Truck drives great for a lifted truck. I'm here to answer your questions anytime. Mike Stout. You can get me on my cell phone, 404-867-5028. If you look at the Carfax report on my website, free of charge, the last entry is going to show you everything that we did to the truck in our service department. So when you buy something from me, it's ready to go, no surprises. And we stand behind what we sell. So if we miss something or something messes up after we sell it to you, we fix it. Thanks guys, have a great day.